Hey guys, what's up? It's James J. Today I am taking you on a community spotlight with one of my favorite places, Restore Hyperwellness. I'm going to take you on a little tour and let you know what they have to offer. One of my favorite places of all time. Let's go.
Hey, I'm Brian Haden. I'm a sports medicine physical therapist. My wife and I, Lisa, opened Restore Hyperwellness a year ago here in Katy to help the Katy community restore and do more of what they enjoy doing. Restore is based out of Austin. They've been around for about 5 years. We've got about 100 locations around the country, and our goal is to help everybody in Katy be able to really enjoy life and do more of what they enjoy doing and not suffer as much, from the high school athlete to the 80-year-old that has rheumatoid arthritis and they can't play with their grandchildren. We've got tons of different services here at Restore. We've also, this weekend, are grand opening the Sports Lab. The Sports Lab is a non-traditional physical therapy clinic that leverages all the new technology that we now have available to help us identify the weak link in the chain and do something about it before an injury ever occurs. We have everything from exercise with oxygen training, to RunScribe running gait analysis, to KinetiSense 360 motion movement analysis to try and find out what's going on before something goes wrong.
So in here we've got our whole body cryotherapy chamber. We've got somebody in there right now. The biggest benefits of whole body cryotherapy is the anti-inflammation that it targets. In this chamber, for your first time, it's only 2.5 minutes at negative 166 degrees. We start to take your temperature right over there. When we realize you need to drop more so about 20 to 30 degrees, then we start lifting up the window or dropping down the temperature. Some of the other side benefits are metabolism boost, endorphin release, collagen boost, and of course there's that anti-inflammation. So right here we kind of have our little nurses station. So in our nurses station, again, we have registered nurses on our team. They're not borrowed from any other facilities, they're part of us. They do IV drips as well as intramuscular shots. With every IV drip, you get 1,000 milliliters of saline, which is the equivalent of 2 gallons of water, so you're automatically going to be rehydrated. And then we have different nutrients that you can add to your bag, so you can kind of create your own little cocktail of nutrients you wanted to add to it. The intramuscular shots, luckily, are just shots, so there's specific nutrients such as B12, CoQ10, Toradol, Glyco-C to help you really with anything you need to do to get throughout the day, and it's just a quick poke and you're on your way. So right in here we've got our cryoskin room. So we have a licensed esthetician on our actual team. We don't borrow them from any other facility. She specializes in cryoskin facials as well as cryoskin slimming and toning. Similar to cool sculpting, except this uses a cold, hot, cold method, and it uses this wand to contour to your own body. It's not just kind of a brick sitting on you. It's not as invasive, and it's very reliant on your diet and exercise, so we highly suggest whatever fits best into your lifestyle. The toning is more tightening up of the skin, so if you've just got a little bit of loose skin, maybe in your arms and your abdomen, the toning is the best option because it tightens up that whole area. So right here we've got our Hyperbaric Oxygen therapy, also known as HBOT, and it looks a little small and collapsed right now, but it actually fills up with air. It actually gets kind of big. You get your own oxygen mask, and this allows you to breathe in 90 to 95% pure oxygen. We have registered nurses on our staff. They're not borrowed from any facilities or hospitals. They actually belong to our team. But you lay in there, you breathe in the oxygen, and it's great for your body's own self-healing. Because your body is utilizing so much more pure oxygen, that's where you're going to feel post-surgery is going to be a little bit easier in the recovery. Scar tissue is going to be a little bit smaller. In hospitals, they utilize this for burn victims, as well as professional athletes actually sleep in this to help recover overnight. So right over here we've got our compressions. They are the Normatec brand. We've got arms, hips, and legs. The legs go up to about your quads. The hips take over your quads to your lower back. Your arms take from the tip of your fingers up to your shoulder. These are great for circulation. So let's say you have a really hard workout, you let that lactic acid sit in your muscles for a little too long and now you're sore. You come in here, it breaks up that lactic acid and helps filter it out so you can get back into the gym at a much faster pace. So here we've got our local cryotherapy. So similar to our whole body, we're using the same sub-zero vapor, but we're able to target more specific spots. For example, we have some clients who have arthritis in their hands, so we just blow on their hands and help relieve some of that swelling. If you've got injuries in your knees shoulders. It's great for that circulation, start helping inflammation start to go down, start getting you back where you need to go. We also can blow it on your face, and it's very relaxing after a very hot summer Texas day. Right here we've got our near infrared sauna. It's a little bit different than the ones you might see at the gym. So the gym ones tend to heat up the air around you, making you sweat from the outside in. But if you want to take a look, the lights that are changing colors, just like our red light, it is infrared light, just a different color. It penetrates into your body, causing your body to go into more of like this fever effect. Because your body is thinking something internally is making you this hot, it starts detoxifying you with metals, toxins, really anything in your body that shouldn't be there. We recommend that you rinse off as soon as you're done sweating, because within an hour your skin will reabsorb what you just got rid of. So we have complimentary shower in here. We've got towels, body wash, and shampoo for you to use. Each color that's changing also has a side benefit from lubricating your joints, opening up your arteries and veins, circulation, rejuvenating your muscle cells, just a bunch of different other benefits with it. So right in here is our PBM, also known as Photobiomodulation. It's essentially red light therapy. So I've got my red light panels on. There are some light bulbs which are showing off the light. That is the regular red light, great for skin health, great for collagen boost. There are also some lights that look like they're turned off. That's just our near infrared. They're naked to our eye, but that penetrates into your core, causing your mitochondria to release more ATP, which is just cellular energy. Because your cells have more energy than they usually would without it, it's great for mental health, mental clarity, relaxation and sleep, muscle recovery, and joint pains.
All right, guys, so that is it. Restore Hyperwellness. This is one of my absolute favorite places. I put a lot on my body, but even if you're not an athlete, it doesn't matter. This place has so much to offer. So make sure you go check them out. Restore Hyperwellness right here in Katy, Texas. I will see you guys soon.